A lot of you had mentioned, like, just do a smaller wedding, yada, yada, yada. And I just felt like, I don't know, just pressure, and this is our only chance, and da, da, da. So, epic Target haul. Not really. Yes. Let's address the giant black dot I have on my nose. I just feel like the world's worst human, so. Well, we're just gonna guess and see how much time I have left on my camera before it dies. And why is my garage door just, like, not been closing? Hopefully no one's behind me. Like, what the heck? There we go. I don't know what's going on with my garage door. Anywho, good morning. Sorry. Random. I don't know how much battery I have on my camera because I don't think I charged it last night. So we're just gonna figure that out. Oh, hello. Happy Friday. We leave tomorrow, so today's my last daily vlog that I have to edit and get up for y'all. I just have a bunch of random things that I need to get done, starting with the gym. We're getting a very late start. I could not shut my brain off last night, like, at all. I don't know what was going on. I just, like, the most random things I was thinking about. I, like, don't even remember now. I hate my, like, nightly, like, anxiety before I go to bed. It doesn't always happen, but it's been happening probably the last couple nights. I think it's probably also a mix of, like, excitement to going home and all that, and I just, like, start to think of all the things that I need to bring, blah, 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 blah. Nonetheless, it's 8:30. We're on our way to the gym. I normally like to be at the gym by 8:30, but what you gonna do, right? I also have to run to Target. There's a Target over there that I think I'm just gonna run to rather than come all the way back over here. I have to return those Levi jeans. I have to get some random, I have to get toiletable cleaner. We have none and I have no idea. And I like to clean the house before I leave. I do not like to leave a messy house. So need that, and then crayons, because I bought Arlo this, like, pencil pouch for his diaper bag to, like, keep his crayons all organized because he keeps ripping the Ziploc bags, like, shredding them. So I'm like, okay, I need something a little more durable. And I just thought it would be, you know, easy and convenient to find. Well, the crayons that I have are, like, jumbo crayons, so they don't fit in them, of course. But honestly, he has some skinnier crayons, like medium skinny, that would fit in there. There are home crayons. If you know, you know. And so those are all, like, literally broken, eaten. They're just a disaster. So I think I'm gonna replace the jumbo ones to be our new home crayons and get some on-the-go crayons. I sound like a total dork. But yes, that's where we're at. And then I don't know if there's anything else that I need to get, but need to just run to Target really quick. And then I'm gonna come home, finish packing our carry-on bags, and sorting the rest of the laundry. I did a load of laundry yesterday, and I probably have one more left, but just little things that you gotta do before you leave. This guy's crossing. It is chilly outside, you guys. It is 61 degrees. No joke, it's cold. And yeah, we're just gonna take you along my day, get last minute things put together and get us, you know, to New York. I'm really excited. I had a talk with my dad yesterday, and it honestly felt like such a relief with this whole wedding stuff. And if you guys don't want to hear about the wedding stuff, like, I guess tell me in a nice way. It's a big part of my life, and you guys know I just share what's going on in my life. Okay, so I know a lot of you had mentioned, like, just do a smaller wedding, yada, yada, yada. And I just felt like, I don't know, just pressure, and this is our only chance, and da, da, da. So anyway, the other night we were in bed, me and Scott was like, you know, I wouldn't mind just, like, renting, like, a couple of giant beach houses, like, on, why do I have the AC on? That's why I'm freezing. Like, in the place, like, Outer Banks or something, like, on the beach, and, like, just have close friends and family, and then, you know, do that. And I was like, that might be nice, because no matter what, New York is a destination wedding for everyone except for my immediate family. Like, not all my friends live there, none of Scott's friends live there, so it's like you're asking someone to pay, like, almost $2,000 for, like, a hotel room, you know, travel, a rental car. It's a lot. And so yeah, we're still gonna view the one place that I really want to, which is Inns of Aurora in New York. We're still gonna view it. But my dad, I was talking to my dad yesterday on the phone, and he was like, I don't know, have you made any wedding appointments? And I'm like, no. Honestly, I don't see the point in visiting a bunch of venues that just don't feel like I want them, or I just get terrible customer service from their people, because it just doesn't, I just don't like that idea of spending so much money on, anyhow. So he was like, I think that you guys should rethink having your wedding in New York anyways, just because like all of your friends and everything are not here, and da 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 da. And I'm like, well, if it's perfect and I love the place, then yes, but I'm not gonna push to make it happen in New York if it just isn't gonna happen in New York. If that makes sense. And he was like, I completely agree. I think what you could do, and I told him the idea of having like a smaller, like we rent out some like epic, like there are like mansions you can do that have like 30 rooms, you know, which would be awesome. It would be an alleviation of the stress on some of the people to finding accommodations and whatnot. So he loved that idea. And then he was like, you know, you could always have like smaller parties for like friends and family in New York and in Dallas, so that everyone still felt included. And I was like, that is a really freaking good idea. I love that idea. It takes the pressure off of just like one epic day of being like perfect and all this stress and pressure, and it kind of like makes it like into bite-sized pieces. It makes me feel more, I don't know, I need to get over though. Is this person gonna let me in? Yeah, thank you. So I don't know, I really like that idea. Like I said, we're still gonna go look at Inns of Aurora, and my dad has one other place that he wants to look at, that he knows the lady who they literally just built it. So we're still gonna look, but honestly, I'm leaning more towards that, like a beach wedding sort of thing. And I think it could be really pretty, and it would just be what I've always wanted, which is just a gathering of our close friends and family together. And so, you know, I don't know, I think that might be the way we lean, and it just felt really good to know that like Scott and my dad are on the same page, because I know a lot of people disagree, but at the end of the day, I really do, you know, take into consideration, it's not just my day, it's not just mine and Scott's day, it's like our family's day as well. It's a very big, I don't know, thing for everybody. Everyone has their own and their own views, you know? Because everyone's just like, go elope. But I don't know. No, to me, I don't want to do that. But I think I've rambled enough for the morning, and I haven't even had caffeine, so that tells you how much this day is going to be insane. But yeah, let's go get this workout in, and then we're gonna get through our day. We have to, or we don't have to, we're going to dinner with Scott's brother tonight, because he watches Miss Winnie while we're gone, so we have to go out to drop her off anyway, so we figured we'll just grab dinner out, and it'll be easy, so we don't have to worry about cooking and cleaning and doing all that fun stuff. And yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling, because this isn't the longest intro clip of life, and yeah, I will see you guys when I am done with the gym and on my way to the target. All right, good workout. And I'm exhausted. Whew, we gotta run to Target. But I wanted to mention Coldest Water. You guys know I've been rocking with them for like ever now. They are partnering with me on this video to let you guys know about their blackout sale. It's happening the whole month of November. They have 20% off their entire website, which is amazing. You guys know I have the black one and the white one. I love it. I'm thinking about getting a larger size in maybe a yellow or something. I don't know, haven't decided yet. But they're having 50% off, up to 50% off select random merch that drops throughout the month too, so keep an eye on the website. But if you haven't picked up a water bottle from Coldest Water yet, it's amazing, and now's obviously the perfect time. So I'll have all the details for the sale linked down below. Also, it would make a great Christmas gift for sure, right? There's a bunch of different sizes. There's even like koozies for like seltzers and all that cool stuff. So like I said, all the details will be listed down below. Shop their blackout sale. It's gonna be freaking epic. I mean, 20% off and up to 50% off random stuff throughout the month. So check it out all month long. I'll have the details linked down below. So epic Target haul, not really. I grabbed Arlo some more socks. He just needed some more socks, and he like normally doesn't wear these grippy ones, but I thought these would be nice specifically for like my dad's house, because it's probably gonna be a little bit chilly in there, but I think he has heated floors. I'm not sure, I can't remember. I don't know if he'll have them on if it's gonna be that cold, but anyways, I thought these little grippy socks would be nice for him to walk around the house. Some crayons, like I said. I grabbed some gum just for like the airport, and toilet bowl cleaner, and that was it, right? Yep, that's it. Let's go home. Address the giant black dot I have on my nose. I have like this weird pimple coming through and I can't put like a pimple patch on it, so we stuck some Glam Glow sheet mask on it. I'm listening to the rest of my Relentless show on Discovery Plus. I'm finishing packing. I have a load of laundry to unload and finish packing my suitcase, and then pack my carry-on and pack Arlo's stuff as well. So that's what we're up to. I just finished editing and uploading the Pack With Me video, which I think will go live, yes, before this, way before this. And I just ordered these jeans in a 25 long, so, or maybe something similar, maybe not those exact ones, I can't remember, but those I won't be able to get until after the vacation. But I'm realizing that because I haven't lived in colder climates for a very long time, I don't really have full-length jeans. I have like cropped jeans, a ton of cropped jeans, and those don't really, you know, go with cold weather, so whew. And nonetheless, okay, so I really like this, the Watermelon Kiss, but honestly I miss the banana because this is colored. You see? So I feel like I still want the banana one because it's not colored. Just for like every day. So I might go pick it up at Target later. And what else was I gonna say? Because I have to drop off that medium-sized Amazon jacket at UPS because it was part of the Amazon Prime wardrobe, so you only pay if you keep it past 7 days. So I have to do that. And I was thinking of picking up the watermelon or the banana one with this again. I mean, I love this. I'm still gonna use this, but this is more of like, not every day because it's pink, you know? And then what else? Oh, I really kind of need a concealer as well from Tarte. So we might need to run to Target again. Drinking my coffee, but I'm gonna finish unpacking and watching my show. I just want to check in with you. Okay. I just finished Relentless. Oh, you got me another episode. I'm distraught. I'm also trying out a different concealer because I ordered too dark of a concealer in the Tarte, and I was trying to avoid picking up another one because I honestly have so many. I just love the Tarte one. And I made salad. So this is the lemon arugula vinaigrette from Trader Joe's, and I just threw a bunch of deli turkey in it just to add some protein and finish it up. So I'm gonna eat this and then finish packing. But yeah, just wanted to let you know that I'm so, like, I just feel like there has to be another episode of The Relentless. And I don't know when it's gonna come out. And I'm not thrilled at all. So sad. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go eat this. Okay, I like finally stopped freaking crying. Y'all, I like randomly stumbled upon the kidnapping case from Cleveland, Amanda and Gina and Michelle. Like, I remember like kind of when that happened. I was in high school or graduating high school. But yeah, oh my God. Like just tears were pouring. And I'm still not done. I have like 10 minutes left. Oh my God. But I have to start getting ready. We have Arlo's at Arlo's daycare today. They're doing a Halloween carnival starting at 3, but we're not gonna go until after Scott's done working and before we go to meet his brother. But I have to paint my nails and get ready and do my hair and stuff because I washed my hair before we leave. Anywho, oh my God, my whole heart just like, that was like so painful. 10 years. The one girl was 12 years, like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. It was just so, ugh. Anyhow. Sorry, that was deep. If you haven't seen it, it's really worth a watch. I mean, if you can watch stuff like that. I know some people can't. If I probably had a little girl, I don't know if I could, but oh my gosh, how scary. I'm gonna put in my Divi hair serum. I've been using this now for, I wanna say like 2 weeks, probably, week and a half or so. I mean, obviously no difference because it takes a while to see differences, but yeah. What I can say is that it doesn't make my hair feel greasy. I don't think it's in stock right now, so you can't even get it. So I honestly don't know if it's irritating my scalp or not though. So I'm gonna have to keep checking that, but I can apply it to dry hair and I don't have any issues with it, so that's been nice. But I just washed my hair, so I'm gonna apply it. I typically like to apply it at night though, just in case it makes my hair greasy. And it's like a routine. So it has like time to sit on my hair. But after washing it, I like to put it on. So I pack that up so I don't miss a day, so I can see some differences. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna go finish watching that show and paint my nails. I am literally so mad at myself. I just got an email from Poshmark. Apparently I switched the 2 orders that I literally sent out yesterday, and I am so, one girl is Kimberly and she like has ordered for me multiple times and I feel so terrible. And then the other girl, I believe her name was Emily. Like, I'm just like, if y'all watch my videos, I'm so sorry. I don't know. I just have been insanely scatterbrained, obviously, with doing all this. That's never happened before, and I feel awful, like so freaking awful. Because there's nothing worse than like waiting for your package to get here, and then like it's the wrong package, and you're just like, what the heck? So I'm gonna cry. Like, I feel terrible. I don't know. She was like super understanding. It was like, I'll keep it and it's not a big deal. And I'm just like, but somebody else ordered it, so I don't want to like not give it to her. I just, my whole heart. I feel freaking terrible. So there's that. And I'm gonna be out of town, so by the time I even get back, then it's a whole nother thing that I have to like then spend time doing that. I just feel like the world's worst human, so you know. If that was you, I'm so freaking sorry. Like, so freaking sorry.